Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we'll be looking at my new addition to my iMac family, an iMac 2009 with an Intel Core 2 Duo, I think 256GB hard drive or a 320GB hard drive. I'm unsure. I haven't booted up this machine in a while. I have opencored this machine with macOS Ventura. As Sonoma, it was unstable for me when I was installing this. And I upgraded from Monterey to Ventura, but didn't do Sonoma because when I did that previously on an external hard drive, it caused the machine to crash regularly. So I have redowngraded it back to Monterey. It's back to Ventura. It's got 8 gigs of RAM, but originally shipped with 4. Alright, so let's turn it on. Down here we have my iMac G3 keyboard with a Mighty Mouse 2, I think, with the scroll wheel. And then we got my desk and freaking junk on it. And then you got the mini PC over here. Alright, we're at OpenCore, so we'll just click enter. Alright, so it's loading. Now, this does take a while because it is a slower machine because of hard drive. Now, I'm not really inclined of upgrading that because of one key factor. And that is because of the hard drive, because of the power supply being exposed when repairing this machine. But it's otherwise, I've seen it done multiple times. So when the hard drive does fail in this machine, or I'm no longer needing it, I may upgrade it, I may not. But this is our new addition to the family, to the white one down here, which I've got for sale on Facebook Marketplace. As you know, it's old, and I can't do much with it nowadays, apart from that Chromium project that I have showed in a previous video. But that is also a Core 2 Duo, but with 3 gigs of RAM and macOS. I think it's Lion. Yes, Lion, with a 128GB SSD. So if you want that, I'm selling it at $100 Australian. So, you know, you can check out the listing. I think I'll put it down in the link below so you guys can check it out. Alright, we're just loading still. It's taking its time. Alright, here we go. I'll just lower this. So, and I share this machine with my sister. Alright, we've just logged in. I'll just cover that so you guys don't know that type of stuff down there, because I will be doing a face reveal when we hit 500 subs. So if you like what you see, please subscribe. It's just going to take its time, as you can see. Give it, hey, there we go. Alright, now we're in. It's just still loading. So, on this machine, you can do with OpenCore. There we go, we're fully loaded. On this machine, with OpenCore, you can do, you know, everything that you want. You can browse the web. You can download stuff from the App Store. It's very responsive given its age. We'll just go into Activity Monitor. Now, when it first boots, I like to give it like a minute or two to go ahead and, you know, boot up correctly, because it takes a while sometimes. Alright, so we're currently sitting about 60% memory wise. It shows us that we have 8 gigs of DDR3. We have our disk at that, which is pretty reasonable. Now we'll just go to about this Mac. Alright, hang on. I'm just going to cover the serial number just so you guys don't know it. Alright, so we have an iMac Core 2 Duo with our 8 gigs of RAM and at that speed, and we have macOS Ventura. I'm just covering the serial number because, you know, some people are funny about it and privacy and stuff. So anyway, sorry about my fingers, they do get in the way occasionally. Alright, so here we go. Opening Safari. We'll just... Alright, there you go, the notification's gone. As I said, it can be a bit slow, but there you go. Alright, so let's go to YouTube quickly, and we'll just get up my channel just to prevent copywriting and stuff. Because you know how sometimes YouTube is. Alright, there we go. Came straight up. Alright, see. OJ Tech Tips. Alright, that's the review which I did on the white iMac. So we can just go into here. Alright, this is the latest one, which I've only posted just recently. Actually, we need a video. My bad. So I can just demonstrate to you. Alright, let's go and play the white iMac, because I think that's my latest video which I've done. Alright. I've turned off the sound so you guys, you know, because sometimes YouTube is funny. So we're at 720p at 60 FPS, which is reasonable. I can do 180p, but it takes a fair bit of load on the CPU itself. And the reason why I don't have sound is because my speakers are off. There you go. I plugged in with the headphone jack. We have to do on this because this is a lot older hardware. Right, turning it on. Now the speaker. As you can hear, as you can see, it's a lot more jittery. And this is the black model. With the black back. Hang on, I'm just plugging this in. Give me a second. Hey, there we go. Now, something which I've noticed is that with the comments down, like, in the description and all, there's a lot of views on my AI videos, which I write the scripts and get AI to make. What I'm hoping to do is go ahead and, you know, start progressing on not using the AI video makers. But the problem is I'm not getting those views that I get. So I have to improve on that quality front. And, you know, if you enjoy this content, you know, like and subscribe and do that. But this is the black iMac 2009. And, you know, it works fine in 2024. You know, people say, oh, this is old, this is old. I can already tell you, it runs fine. Now, App Store, we'll just go to App Store. App Store is a bit more intensive, so it takes a little bit to load. But boom, it's up. It's just loading. So we have our here. So you can get things like... I'm unsure if I'm allowed to show you the stuff. Oh. What's it called? In the App Store. So YouTube, I'm sorry, but you know, there you go. You can get apps. I've already downloaded some like Word and that stuff. And say I want to get Outlook. We'll just do Outlook for, you know, why not? It can download and install just fine on this hardware. I don't know who's paying $299 for that. Sorry. Just at it. And see, downloading, fine. Works good. But yes, yeah, thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day. And please like and subscribe. And we'll hopefully hit 500 subscribers where we'll do the face reveal. Because I got a couple comments asking when's the face reveal. 500 subs. Thanks for watching and have a great rest of your day.